How to divide two mixed numbers with and without flipping the second fraction. The recipe calls for 2 1/3 cup of sugar. So let's put that in. Oh no, I actually put 3 2/6 cup of sugar in. So now I need to divide 2 1/3 by 1 1/3. How to divide two fractions with flipping the second fraction. So now I have to figure out how to divide 2 1/3 by 1 1/3. So first we need to change the mixed number 2 1/3 into an improper fraction. So we already know the denominator for the improper fractions are 3 because that's the denominator for the mixed numbers. And then to figure out the numerator, we do 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then we do the same thing for 1 1/3. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. But then to make this even simpler, we flip 4 over 3 to make it 3/4. And we do this because now we can make the problem simpler and make it multiplication. So now all we have to do is 7 times 3, which is 21, and 3 times 4, which is 12. So 21 over 12 is how much sugar we have to take out. And 21/12 is equal to 1 1/3. Now, I figured out that I need to take 1 1/3 cup of sugar out. Now, let's see if we have exactly 2 1/3 cup of sugar left in the pan. One cup. Two cups. And 1/3. How to divide two fractions without flipping the second fraction. Without flipping the second fraction. Let's say you want to divide 2/5 into 6/10. You ask yourself, how many times does 2 go into 6? Goes in 3 times. And how many times does 5 go into 10? 2 times. So your answer is 3/2. There's a question people might ask. When would you need to do just a simple problem like this one, or switch it and multiply like this one? Well, you would know when you need to do a simple problem like this when the number is divisible. So since 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 is divisible by 6. And since 5 goes into 10 2 times, 5 is divisible by 10. So it's just simple division. And then here, since 7 doesn't go into 3, you need to flip this to make it multiplication. Because 7 isn't divisible by 3, but 3 isn't divisible by 4.